Do you have a hard time keeping up with new leads? Constantly logging into Facebook Ad Manager can cost you precious time, and studies show that taking longer than 5 minutes to follow up with a lead reduces your chances of qualifying them by 80%. LeadSync is a tool that helps you connect with new leads within the first 5 minutes so you can close more sales. Whenever you receive a new lead, we send you an instant notification over email, SMS, Google Sheets, or over one of the 30 CRM and email marketing platforms we integrate with. Then you can connect, qualify, and convert. If you're out of the office, LeadSync also gives you the option to set an autoresponder that sends emails or SMS to new leads on your behalf. You can use these to deliver lead magnets, take action further, or let them know that you'll be in touch soon. No more missed opportunities because you're away. And if you're running campaigns for multiple clients, LeadSync offers plans to help you manage all of them. Since launching in 2016, we've processed over 7 million leads and helped advertisers across a variety of industries qualify their leads faster. LeadSync is the perfect solution for busy marketers who are constantly on the go. We'd like to help you get the most out of your Facebook lead ad campaigns. So sign up for a free trial today.